we're gonna make some Jimmy Dean breakfast balls! We love them, they're fantastic, they're super easy. We wanna see if we can make them cheaper and have a bunch of them. So, to start, we have cheese!
All the cheese!
We have eggs!
Lots of eggs.
The bacon!
All the bacon.
The sausage! And the potatoes! So we're gonna take all these things, cook them up, freeze them, put them in different bowls, and then re-microwave them. And for those bowls, we went to the dollar store and got a whole bunch of these little 2-packs.
Oh,
and
upside down.
it should hopefully work. Here we go. Okay, drum roll please. Congratulations! Our breakfast bowls are more expensive than just buying them from the store. We can add up all the ingredients that we put in. I'll put them up here on the screen. The bacon was $21.98. Sausage was $17.78. Eggs were $8.89. The potatoes were $2.50, and the cheese was $7.20. Obviously, we didn't get every single thing for that amount, but the amount that we used, breaking those up into chunks and using pieces of the whole product, because Costco gives you a ton, gave us a whole 222.8 ounces of food. Total cost was $58.34. That gives us a cost per ounce of 26.4 cents. If you look at the Jimmy Dean bowls, their weight in ounces is 6.91 ounces. The cost is $1.71, which means that their cost per ounce is actually 24.8 cents, which is, we're about 10% more expensive, which really goes to show that economies of scale just do better. It's a lot easier to have a set of machines and a couple workers who really know what they're doing and can do it fast than a couple of people who don't know what's going on and we're just trying to figure our own stuff out. So if you like the recipe exactly the way it is, just go buy them. We did this for an experiment to see how close we'd get, but also we wanted to change up the recipe, probably remove the potatoes to try to do less carbs. So that would be a success in this, but yeah, if you want to have a breakfast bowl, just go buy it. It's cheaper. Thanks.